So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna do a review on this Kingbolen battery analyzer tool. And Kingbolen is the one who supplied me the launch Creeder scan tool that I've been using on the channel, and so far I love the scan tools. And in today's video we're gonna do a review on this battery analyzer, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give this away to one of you guys. So stay tuned for that. So if you watch until the end of the video, I'm going to tell you all the detail on how to join the giveaway so you can receive this amazing product. So guys, let's get started. So here we have the Kingbolen battery analyzer, and packaging is really good. It's nice packaging. And here you have a protection of over voltage, reverse polarity protection. And you can tell by using this analyzer, you can tell if the state of charge of your battery and also the state of health. You can do that test. So this tester is good for 6, 12, and 24 volts. So which is pretty good. So you have a variety of voltage there. And in the back, you can see all the instructions here on how to connect it to your car, and also how to see the result and tell if your battery is in a good condition. So here are the rest of the details on the icons that you can see on the tester. And these are all the parameters of what this tester can do. Okay. So this is the tester itself. It's not too big, it's not too bulky. It's a nice little handheld tester that you can use, that you can easily analyze the battery of your car. As you can see here, the cable is protected by this rubber piece here, which is good. So you're not gonna have a kink cable that can break down through time of using this tester. So you have 4 buttons here. You have the up and down, you have the OK, and also the return button. And so far that's it. So this doesn't require battery. If you use it on the on your battery, the battery will power this unit up. So you don't need to charge this or anything. So it's the power is getting supplied from the battery that you're testing with. So as you can see, the cable is pretty thick. It's a big thick cable. So when they separated the negative and the positive, the cable also are very thick. And on the clamps, it's a nice copper clamps with a strong spring. It's very strong. As you can see, the teeth on the clamps are very a bit sharp also. So that's good. It's good for making a good contact on your battery. So the same thing on the black clamp. It has the same quality as the red clamp. So a lot of people, when they test their battery, they think that by just measuring the voltage is enough to know if their battery is good or not. So no, it doesn't work that way, because any battery has a voltage. So the voltage is not enough to tell you the whole story of the health of the battery. So it's better to have this kind of tester to analyze if your battery is still capable of doing its job, especially in the cold winter. So a lot of people, they just use a multimeter. So multimeter is not enough. Once you read the voltage that's going to be showing here when you touch the negative and the positive of the battery, it's not enough to give you enough detail of the condition of the battery. It's just telling you the voltage of the battery, but that's not enough. You don't know if it's holding the charge or keeping the charge. You don't know anything. All you know is the voltage. That's it. But it's not enough information to confidently say that the battery is in good health for you to use during the winter time or any other time. Especially in the winter time, it's very important to know that the health of your battery is very good, because you need that starting power every time you start your car in the winter. So as you can see, this is my smallest multimeter compared to the Kingbolen. As you can see that this is more compact, so it's just easy to carry around. You can even put this in your glove box if you want to test your battery. So now we're gonna test this analyzer to see the conditions of my battery. So I'm gonna test the battery in my car and also some batteries that I took out from the car because they were no good. And we'll see the state of charge or state of health of those batteries right now. So here I have an old battery that I took out from one of my car. And this gives me the problem of not starting the car because it's not holding the charge. But I'm gonna show you right now if we only use a multimeter and to see what we can read from the multimeter compared to the battery analyzer. So now I'm gonna check it with my multimeter. So I put it in a DC voltage. So this is the positive and that's a negative. And so far we're getting only 12.51 volts. So that's the only thing you can tell about this battery with the multimeter. It doesn't tell you the state of health or the state of charge. It's just telling you the voltage. Okay, so that's not enough to know if your battery is capable of performing the job on your starting of the car. So now I'm gonna use my battery analyzer. So I'm gonna connect the positive and then the negative, and we can see that we have a selection here. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but you have 3 selection of voltage. Now it's blinking 12 volts. So I'm gonna click OK because this is a 12 volts battery. And cold cranking amps, we have to put down the value here, which is 750. So 750 cold cranking amps, 750, and then we're gonna say that it's okay. Now we're gonna see, wait for the reading, what's the result. So it's telling me it's poor. That means the battery is not even good to use in the car. So totally scrap. So you can see the difference between the multimeter and the battery analyzer. You can tell that by using the battery analyzer, it's telling you that it's not even worth putting it in the car. But the multimeter tells you that it still has voltage. So that means multimeter doesn't give you the whole story about the battery condition, you know. So if you're using multimeter to test out your battery, I suggest you get one of these, and this will give you the whole value or state of health of your battery before even considering to buy one, or maybe just charge your battery. It just depends on the situation. So here's another battery that we're gonna test. This one came out from my BMW, and I charged this battery last night, and now we're gonna check it out with a multimeter to see how much voltage are we getting. So this is the positive and that's a negative. So we're gonna check the voltage again. As you can see, it's giving me 12.72 volts, and that's it. So it doesn't tell me the whole story about this battery. So now I'm gonna check with the battery analyzer. So positive here and negative here. So it's asking me if it's at 12 volts. I say yes. Cold cranking amps. Okay, it's 900. So we have to put 900. 900. Okay, so now we're gonna measure it. We're gonna analyze it. So again, this is also poor. As you can see, it's only giving me 453 cold cranking amps when I needed a 900, because this battery is 900. It's supposed to give me at least near that 900 mark, but it's only giving me 453 cold cranking amps. So we're gonna check the rest of the detail here. So the state of health is only 25%, which is not good. The state of charge is 98, so that it's fully charged. So the battery is fully charged, but it's not enough to keep it in the car or install it back on the car. And the resistance is 5.73 milliohms. So You know, there's some resistance there. And the voltage is 12.74. So then again, this battery is not good because it's telling me poor. So replace it. So that's what I did. So just to let you know, multimeter doesn't give you a real indication of if your battery is still good or not. It's just telling you the voltage. So better get a battery analyzer to see the state of health of your battery if it's really worth keeping it in the car. So now we're gonna test my my car with the new battery and see what we can read with this battery analyzer. So this is the new battery that I just installed on my BMW. So now we're gonna measure it with a multimeter to see how much voltage we have. And this is a brand new battery that I bought from Costco. I did a video on that. So I'm gonna put the positive and the negative. So it's giving me 12.56 volts. So it's 12.56 volts. Okay. So now I'm gonna use the battery analyzer. Excuse the noise of my neighbor, he's grinding something there. So okay, I'm gonna clamp the negative and the positive. Okay, so it says 12 volts. This is how many amps? 900. So still 900 cold cranking amps. So 900 cold cranking amps. And we're gonna click on OK. It's analyzing. So now it's telling me good. It's very good. See? We're gonna check it's 100% state of health and 98% state of charge. The resistance is 2.56 milliohms. So that's pretty good. The lower the resistance, the better. And it's giving me 12.67 volts. So now we know that this battery is good enough to be installed on the car. So that's why, anyway, this is a brand new battery. It's supposed to be good. So that's all I can say about that. So it's better to have the battery analyzer instead of a multimeter, because the battery analyzer will tell you the state of battery, the state of health, not just voltage. So guys, as you can see the difference between the multimeter and the battery analyzer in diagnosing the state of health of your battery. As you can see, multimeter doesn't give you the whole story. It's better to have a battery analyzer to see the condition of your battery, if it's worth keeping it, especially in winter time. So guys, so to win this giveaway, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment, subscribe in the comment section down below. And then you'll be joining the giveaway prize for this amazing Kingbolen battery analyzer. So I will make my draw, and then I will contact the person whoever wins this, and then I can send it to you guys. I will even pay for the postage to send it to you guys. So guys, remember to join the giveaway, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment subscribe in the comment section, and then you will be included in the giveaway prize for the draw. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.